Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss De Moivre's theorem. We are going to discuss De Moivre's theorem. Okay, let us go. Listen. De Moivre's theorem statement is: given any complex number cos theta plus I sin theta and any integer n, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, this is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Once again listen, De Moivre's theorem without proof. Okay, this is very important theorem. Given any complex number cos theta plus I sin theta and any integer n, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, this is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, that is, we simply say power n multiplying with the argument. Here power n cos n theta and power n multiplying with the sin, so I sin n theta. Now corollary results, 4 results are given: cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n, this is equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Here, okay, second one cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus n, this is also equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Once again listen, here there are only one minus. Here imaginary part has one minus symbol. Here power symbol has one minus symbol. But our third result, cos theta minus I sin theta whole power minus. Here both minus appears. Okay, two minus are appeared. Then minus into minus what? Plus. Very good. Then cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, now fourth proof slightly changed. We have write already cos theta plus I sin theta, but here it is sin theta plus I cos theta. So we taken out the common factor I. Okay, now we write cos theta minus I sin theta. Are you understand? Sin theta plus I cos theta, we taken out the common factor, but sin theta have no item. So what you do? You think? Yes, sin theta divided by I. Sin theta divided by I. Okay, and I cos theta, we taken out the common factor, we write only cos theta. Okay, then 1 by I. Do you remember 1 by I? What is the answer? Tell me. Yes, minus I. So here we write cos theta, here minus I sin theta. Okay, so this step minus I sin theta plus cos theta, we write in order. First we write, yes, very good, real part. So cos theta minus I sin theta. So this result becomes sin theta plus I cos theta, this is equal to I into cos theta minus I sin theta. Now let us apply De Moivre's theorem to simplify complex numbers and to find solution of equations. Okay, now we are going to applying De Moivre's theorem to simplify the complex numbers and to find solution of equations. Okay, this De Moivre's theorem very important. Okay, are you understand this? Okay, thank you.